Welcome back to I Love Painted Rocks. Today we are going to teach you how to make a tapestry-inspired flower rock. To get started, paint your rock black and then make sure you have at least 2 shades of every color of flower that you would like to paint on your rock, as well as 2 shades of green. The basic techniques for the flowers is to have at least 2 shades for every color flower you want and 2 shades for green. You'll use a round brush and fill it with paint, then lightly press the tip onto the rock and press down while you are sliding in a C shape, and then lift off to create a point on the other side. You will repeat this shape over and over again, building the flowers with sets of C's. These are really abstract flowers, so even little scribble piles look great. This is a really simple technique to get cool, complicated looking flowers that are actually not hard to do. You can also layer the different colors of paint. As long as the paint is wet, you can continue building different shades on top of each other by doing new C's on top of old C's and then even adding dots on them. And then as you go, you can change colors as you're moving around the rock, using a light blue like you see here, and then changing to add shades of teal, and then you can even add splashes of white as you're building it. The key is to work a little bit fast so that the paint stays wet, because the layering works the best when your paint is wet as you're building your flowers. Continue doing this technique over and over again all over your rock. The best way to do it, again, is to do wet on wet paint. Don't wait for it to dry in between to get maximum blending. When you're ready to paint your leaves, dip in the light green paint, put it next to the flower, push down and drag it, and then lift it up. And then do it on the other side. So you have 2 strokes, one for the left side of the leaf and one for the right side of the leaf. You can change colors between leaves. You can even do the same layering technique where you paint a light green leaf, add a dark green stroke, or the other way around. Go ahead and continue building your leaves this way, adding highlights or shadows with the different shades of green all around to fill in the spaces between the flowers. I hope you love this fun flower painting technique for rocks. This project was done by Natalie of Doodlecraft, a contributor for I Love Painted Rocks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the I Love Painted Rocks channel.